In the wild, you might encounter a fierce creature. But don't look at it, or you might just die. From cuteness. It's a cat, but not your typical one. Its legs are the shortest in the feline world, and it's the most afraid of cold. It wears the thickest coat. This species, called to sun, lives far from humans. It might just get petted to death. Hungry, the cat goes hunting. Its jump is key to survival, though not very high. Silently, it stalks its prey with perfect stealth. The prey has no idea it's being approached. Slowly and cautiously, it moves closer. One wrong step and lunch is gone. Luckily, there are plenty of fries around. Exhausted, it decides to nap. Suddenly, it's challenged. Ready to prove it's no ordinary cat. This time, it's extra cautious. Its feet go numb from waiting. Time to stretch and prepare. What's happening now?